Hey guys, Lady here. It is early in the morning, it's Sunday, and it is Easter today. We are going to have a huge party with a ton of people. So I thought I will show you how I make red cabbage salad. I have this recipe on the blog for many years now, and it is very simple, very delicious. The best thing I like about this salad, and we kind of call it like the Israeli version of coleslaw. I hope I say it right, coleslaw. It is a salad, and you can't say that about many salads, but this is a salad that gets better after a few days, after a few hours, after a day, after 2 days in the fridge. So I love making it just because it's delicious, but also it's really good for two reasons. Reason number one is when you have a big crowd, if there is a big party going on, if you need to bring something to a party, if you're hosting a party, it is great because first of all, it's very affordable. Red cabbage costs, I don't know, a head of red cabbage cost me like 89 cents. And you can make it a few hours before the party. You can even make it the night before. So it's really a great salad to make for a party. I also like to make it if I know that I'm going to have a really busy week and I need something like a salad in the fridge. I know that I won't have time to chop a salad for myself every day for lunch or something like that if there's a big project going on. So I make a big bowl of it and I keep it in the fridge, and then you just give it a good mix before you grab some, and it's a great, side for everything. Okay, so what we're going to do is first of all chop the red cabbage, and we want to do it pretty fine. I already did half the head, so I'm going to do the whole head here. And then what we're going to need beside the cabbage is lemons. I'm probably going to use 2 here, but I'm not sure yet. I'm kind of eyeballing it. I will link to the recipe on the blog below, and you can find the recipe card with the exact measurements over there. I've done it so many times that it's just easy for me to kind of throw everything together. We're going to need mayo. We're going to need garlic. I like to make it pretty garlicky, so I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 garlic cloves for a whole head of a cabbage. And aside from that, we're going to need salt. That's it. Okay, so you want to start by chopping the cabbage. I cut the head in half and then in half again, and then we want to remove that center, so I just place it like this on the cutting board and I cut in a diagonal to remove that center area. Then every one of those pieces, I usually cut into 3. And then I just chop it pretty thin. You could also do this in the food processor. That will save you a lot of chopping. And then this goes to the bowl. That's it, you guys. That's really all it takes. This is how it looks. We are doing a combined Easter pouring party. So what I'm going to do is just cover it with plastic wrap and leave it on the counter. It's like 8 a.m. so everybody should be here about 2:30. When I want to serve it, I'll just uncover it, give it a good toss again, taste. You can, you know, add salt if you need to, or correct the mayo if you want to add a little bit more mayo or something like that. And then I'll probably move it to like a serving bowl, so it's a little bit prettier than this mixing bowl. And that's it. If you're doing it for yourself, you just put it in a refrigerator safe container, covered in the fridge, and then, you know, it will be good in the fridge for like a week. So if you're home and you're doing a big project and you need to grab a salad for lunch or whatever, or a side salad for a meal, then just give it a toss and that's it. It's ready to go. It is really better because the cabbage is a little hard, firm. It is better to make it a few hours before, because it gives it time to kind of soak in the flavors. All right, I will see you again in the next video. Bye.